coming into the resort, which is called Easy Diving and Beach Resort, and this is in the
Sipalay.
Sipalay.
And this is the entrance to go in.
We got a security guard, very friendly, opening the door for you. Very secure place.
It's very what do you call that, exclusive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very safe.
Yeah, this is the entrance to go inside. A lot of trees.
Be careful, not slowly.
Yeah.
And we're not in a hurry.
I know, my love. Mira, we got the parking for ourselves.
You can park, but do me a favor, go like here and then park so like with this in the front.
Yeah. I'll park here.
Yeah, but with this in that facing that way.
I'm gonna do it. I think ito pare.
Now look here, yes. Look, as long as you're in the yellow, you're good to go back.
Oh.
Yellow is good. Red, you gotta stop.
Ah, when it red.
Right.
Okay, yeah. I did it. I'm not really good at parking, but
Alright, you did great.
yeah, their parking space here is not really a lot of space that you can move around. They give you enough space to move around and
Okay, turn off the car. No, you gotta turn this first. And then the car. There you go.
yes, we're going. Should also going to the stairs. I'll show you guys.
Ah, I got the key. Hey, let's go to the room and show the room.
No, show around too. Okay, guys. So this is the inside of the resort. There's a lot of like different bungalow houses that you can rent it out. And this is the steps. You gotta be careful, especially at night. It's dark. There's no that much light. Look at that bajang plants, how pretty. I love it. So big. It's humongous. We're going to the, oh, you gotta lock the car, my love. We gotta go to the, you can go to the shortcut so I could go downstairs.
No, you're supposed to be shortcut.
Usually the right there is going down to the main office, the bar and the shop, but this one, this is the back. This is a shortcut going to our room, because if you don't do that, you're gonna take a lot of stairs up and down. So through here, we're right there like in a minute.
You got a little bottle of Fanta instead of the big bottle?
This is big.
Oh, it's a big?
This is small for you?
I don't know. Is that the same size as the other one?
Yeah, this is the biggest one. The other one, we called it lapad. Those are the small one.
Show the building, mira.
Huh?
Show the where we're staying.
This is where we
right
stay. This room. This is a standard bungalow. We'll take you to our room. Right there is the beach area. So, don't go
They
upstairs.
haven't cleaned the room yet. It doesn't look like.
No, it look like
Huh?
they clean it.
They clean it?
Yeah,
How do you know? It doesn't look like they clean it.
because my hair on the floor is gone.
Oh yeah?
Ay, baby, I'm vlogging and you're talking.
That's fine. It's okay.
You're crazy.
It's fine.
So this is a room. It says stonefish. So this is what it looks like. There's a two rattan chairs there and a little
I
table.
left my lighter there.
No, I put it in your.
Oh, you put it inside.
Wow, though you're crazy.
Okay, so show the room.
So this is the room. There's one ceiling fan. This is the bed. With the two rattan lampshade. And there's also like a office table, desk.
Yeah, there's
And then down here there's a little fridge that you can put your
comes fully stocked.
right there. There's a little ice maker there.
Comes fully stocked. And then you have your
The welcome, whatever that is.
no.
And this is the bathroom. There's one mirror, toilet, and shower, and there is a hot water heater. Yeah, I think that's it. And then there's a wall mount air conditioner.
So it's pretty nice. It's just $60 a night, and you're right on the beach. If you look through the window,
Yeah.
you'll see the beach is right out there.
The beach
Yep,
is
the beach is
right
right out there.
right
You
there.
can see the beach right out there.
But it's cloudy and it's raining right now because I think there's a low pressure.
Right. So you actually have ocean view. Well, you finish it. Yeah.
Oh.
It's safe to leave anything here.
Yeah, we left our stuff here. The laptop and the doors open and they went inside to clean and they're very nice, they were good.